right, I arrived in Taos, and today was the first day on the build site. Monumental occasion. We pounded the first course of tires, which is always a feather in the cap to be a part of the foundation of the building. Very satisfying, hard work, hot sun, but we even had a little bit of rain during the middle of the day and some clouds that came and gave us some shade. Not too bad, but I tell you, I'm going to be sleeping good tonight. Part of the process today that's so tedious and what makes the first day of tire pounding so laborious is that you really need to take the time to make the foundation perfect. You want the building to be square. You want all your tires to be sitting exactly where they're going to be because they're 300 pounds once they're pounded and you don't want to move them after that. I have an idea of the site. You know, we've got a trailer with all our tools in it and some solar panels on top, and we're going to be able to run some power tools with that. It's awesome. You don't always get that on a work site, so we're looking really good. And then we have a shade area that they've created over here. They've built a awning, and they're going to be putting some shade tarps over that so that we have a shady area to work in during these hot days in the full sun. Ron has the cooling tubes that just got welded at the shop sitting here in his trailer, ready for installation when it's time. And today the main objective was to pound the north face tire wall because the back of the building is going to be receiving the cooling tubes, which are going to come under the ground. They're going to pop up out of the ground, and then they're going to be sitting on that first row of tires. So the objective for today was to get those tires set, level, pounded. That way we can install the cooling tubes next. So there's a lot of steps. Some of these steps already took place before I got here, and I was able to pick Ron's brain. He left the black water and the leach field cells open and the septic tank exposed so that I could see that in order to document that part of the build, which was awesome. You know, day one was awesome, day one in the books. I'm so happy to have gotten here on the day that we started the first course of tires. You know, it feels like everything fell into place so that I could be here at this moment, and I'm really excited and ready to produce some high quality content for everybody. Up next, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some half blocks using concrete and metal lath. So stay tuned, subscribe to the Off-Grid Guru if you want to follow this build. And if you are into earthships and sustainable building, then subscribe to us on YouTube and on Instagram. Also, a really great way to learn is to build one yourself. That's why I created the Earthship model kit. I wanted to put an Earthship in everyone's hands. I took everything I learned at the Earthship Academy and boiled it down into a 32-page, full-color, easy-to-understand booklet, which give you the basics of the Earthship 6 principles that make them some of the most sustainable buildings in the world. This educational package has been presented at the Earthship Biotecture Academy and in classrooms all around the world. If you want to pick up a copy, click the link below.